Kodaikanal is a town and hill station in Dindigul district in the state of Tamil Nadu, India. Kodaikanal is also popularly known as the Princess of Hill Stations. Kodaikanal was established in 1845 to serve as a refuge from the high temperature and tropical diseases during the summer in the plains. It is a popular destination and is referred to as the Princess of Hill Stations. The cool and misty weather, the scenic beauty of the rolling hills, and the wooded forest of Kodaikanal and its surroundings will mesmerize any visitor throughout the year.